Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be fixing my slime. So sorry if my face is kind of cut out in the video. But yeah, just because I don't really have a good spot to put my camera. But yeah, so my slime isn't really that good. I mean, it's not really that stretchy. And I mean, it rips a lot. So what I'm going to do is just put hot water in the sink. And I'm just going to roll my sleeves up. Okay, so I have my water. You can tell. So now I'm going to put my slime in the water. Just kind of knead it around in there. If you know what I mean. I'm scared. So I'm gonna drop my camera in here. So as you could tell, I'm just kneading the slime in here, and a lot of glitter is coming out of it. Because I added glitter to this. As you can kind of tell. But I also added Tide from my activator. So now the slime's going to be like really, I don't know, I guess you could say bubbly. Yeah. We just want to kind of knead this in here for about 5 minutes. That way, I guess you could kind of get it good. I'm going to do exactly 5 minutes. So that's why it's like 5 minutes. So I used Elmer's light glue and Tide for this. In case you were just wondering. What I was using. And I used glitter glue for the glitter. That looks cool. Got a minute left. And then this slime was like really good, but now it's like really bad. And add some more water. Now this water is hot. You need to add hot water to it. It's become good. I might leave it in here for just a little bit longer than 5 minutes. Just so it has time to soak and stuff. Okay, so I've done this with other slimes, And other slimes have gotten like really sticky and then they just melted. So that's why you don't want to add like a lot of water. Okay. So yeah. That's why I don't want to add too much water. This slime's really good. Whoa, that looks so cool. This is what I mean by melting. Really sticky. Yeah, other than that, this one's really good. Right, well, I gotta go to the bathroom. Just because, my mom has to use the bathroom, but we already have a bathroom downstairs, so I don't know why she can't use the one downstairs, but yeah. So we're just gonna go to my room now. My room is really messy, actually, if you think about it. Like, look. Like, I have stuffed animals everywhere. Stuff is just everywhere. Yeah, so I'll show you my slime. I would show you on my desk, but now my desk has a blanket over it. Don't ask why. But yeah. So now, slime is really good. Really good bubbles, poking. Don't really know if you can hear it on camera, but yeah. And I also have like, I don't know, I found it on a bus. Cause I go on a bus, it's like a sand slime. I don't know, it's really weird. Don't really like it. But yeah, so I have this one. I really like it. So yeah, I don't really know if you guys can hear everything on camera. But yeah, so the slime is really good. So I just have this little container for it. See, I'm just going to clean my room now. Make my bed. I'm going to use my pillow. Sorry if my mom looks in, by the way. But yeah, she might. So, just gonna say that now. guys, I have a lot of stuffed animals, like from when I was little, and I just keep them. So that's probably why I have like Hello Kitty stuffed animals and Care Bear stuffed animals. But yeah, just if you guys were wondering.
You ready to go in a few minutes?
Yeah.
What are you doing, love? Huh? How are you feeling? You gonna bring that cup down? Let you for a second? Close your eyes. With makeup on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm making a YouTube video just so you wondering. Can you say hi?
Hi!
No, I gotta show you.
I don't want to be on.
Yes, you do. That's my mom.
Hi! Am I recording now?
Yep.
Okay. Hi! Okay, let's go.
We're going now? You said it in a couple of minutes. Don't lie to me. Okay, I'll be down in a sec. Whatever, okay. But yeah. So I just have this line, like I said. But yeah, now my room looks way better. And the only reason why I have... Yeah, so the only reason why I have a blanket on my dresser, or my, whatever you want to call it, that's it, desk, is because I have this, it goes down, and then under here, it's like a little spot where I can sit. So yeah, I'll show you guys my slime in a sec. But yeah, guys. So, like I said, a million other times, my slime is really good. But yeah, so thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel.